fun.
Let me ask everybody 3 questions. First, does somebody know how to throw a parade or what? You better believe it. Second, anyone here ready to do some salsa dancing? Yeah, I thought so. And finally, has there ever been a more exciting team than the 2012 champions of the National Football League, the New York Giants? Without saying, I am declaring the Big Apple the Big Blue